Does that include the Jews? The Jews rejected him as the Messiah. And the Jews are absolutely convinced that he died. So the Jews reject belief that he will come back. But when he does come back, at that time, they will now have to accept him as the Messiah. I told them that in the synagogue in the United States. And when the lecture was over, the Jews surrounded me. You should be there to see it. And they would demand me, why should we be forced to do something we don't want to do? The answer is, the veils will be removed from your eyes on that day. So now you will see, rain is no longer falling. So now you will see clearly. But then you will die. And you therefore die the worst possible death. What is the worst possible death? That at the moment of your death, you should now realize that that which I have held on to so arrogantly and obstinately is not the truth, it is falsehood. And that which I rejected it as truth, and declared that that was falsehood, namely Islam. At the moment of death, you will have to accept that that was true. And Muhammad was true. That's the worst possible death. Who died like that? Fir'aun died like that. When he was underneath the water, dying, then he said, now he can see. Then he said, now I believe in Allah. God has done this for me. So Allah said, at that time, I'm going to preserve your body. So that your body, وَالْيَوْمَ نُنَجِّيكَ بِبَدَنِكَ لِتَكُونَ لِمَنْ خَلْفَكَ آيَةً Surah Yunus. That your body, when it is rediscovered, would be a sign as big as a billboard for people to come after you. That they will die the way you die. وَإِنَّ كَثِيرًا مِنَ النَّاسِ عَنْ آيَاتِنَا لَغَافِلُونَ. But most people, they don't bother about my signs of Allah. How true it is. Where does the body of Fir'aun discover? Masjid Darul Aman. I want an answer. We thank, of course, the administration for allowing me to come here tonight. We hope that I can come back again and again to continue to teach. 19. Oh, correct. Go ahead. 1897. The body of Fir'aun was discovered. What else happened in 1897? Not you, Ustaz Saleh. What else happened in 1897? The Zionist movement was established in Switzerland. So now the countdown has begun. And at the end of this, you will die the way he died.
Jesus Christ is a messenger to Bani Israel. So how can we know that he will rise and bring back Islam to glory for the second time? Do you think that it is a contradiction from Hadith saying that Imam Mahdi is for Islam, but Jesus Christ is for Bani Israel?
The only evidence and proof we have of the things that I have conveyed to you tonight is that which has come from the Quran and that which has come from Muhammad. If I have taught you anything wrong, come and correct me. Come and correct me. But once I have not taught you anything wrong, once it has come from the Quran, once it has come from Muhammad alayhi salatu, whether you understand it or you don't, whether you're comfortable with it or you are not, submit to it. Yes, he has said, when Isa alayhi salam returns, he will follow the Sharia of Muhammad alayhi salatu wasalam. He will perform salat behind our Imam, but the Ummah doesn't know about that. Yes, he will perform salat the way we perform salat. Okay? When Isa alayhi salam comes back, he's going to rule the world from Jerusalem. The religion that he will have, since he is following the Sharia of Muhammad alayhi salatu wasalam, is the Islam that we have, not the Islam of the masajid which are grand structures. Not that one. That is Islam and only name. Nothing remains of Islam now except the name. The Islam of Muhammad alayhi salam, that Islam, Isa alayhi salam brings it back and it will rule the world from Jerusalem. And he will be, only two words in the hadith, Hakim Na'am, just ruler from Jerusalem.
Any more questions from the floor? Last one.
This question is not related to the topic, but we want to aware ourselves the opportunity you are here, and we know that your area of specialization is international relations. During the Bosnian War, Muslims the world over were helplessly enraged as its agent being radicalized in self-executed, unspeakable genocide and other forms of atrocities against the Bosnian Muslims. But soon after, the OIC passed a resolution declaring the Security Council lance embargo on Anatolia. NATO demonstrated itself assault by sermons. My impression, currently from media reports, as we told this, was that it was a deliberate policy of the UN Security Council and it covertly condoned the ravages that was inflicted on Bosnian Muslims. Am I right?
You are right, this is my area of specialization, international relations. But in order for me to keep the door open for me, to travel around the world, and to do the work that I'm doing, preaching Islam, I have to confine myself only to the Quran and to the Prophet. So long as all that I'm teaching is the Quran and the Hadith, they can't stop. If they stop me, shame on them. Shame on them. From the time I step out of the Quran and Hadith into international politics and so on, then I give an opportunity for those who want to stop. So that we could answer your question in private.
Thank you very much for the very enriching talk that you have given to us. Before we end our talk tonight, there is a request to recite from the Fatiha for two people. So, John.
الفاتحة الحمية إلى روح النبي الأكرم صلى الله تعالى عليه وسلم. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين. الرحمن الرحيم. مالك يوم الدين. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين. اهدنا الصراط المستقيم. الله الرحمن الرحيم الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له اللهم اغفر لحينا وميتنا وشاهدنا وغائبنا وصغيرنا وكبيرنا وذكرنا وانثانا اللهم من احييته منا فاحيه على الاسلام ومن توفيته منا فتوفه على الايمان. We pray to thee, O Allah, make us and in greatness and forgiveness the world back of the man. الأرواح والأنبياء والصديقين والشهداء والصالحين خصوصا والله بفضله والشيخ محمد جيلاني سعيد سليم جيشي والله kindly help us in their souls. والله kindly forgive them their sins. والله kindly grant that they may sleep peacefully in their graves. والله kindly grant that they may raise on the last day to see thy mercy. اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آل سيدنا محمد وبارك وسلم برحمتك يا آمين يا رب العالمين. Dimana insyaAllah
Hadirin yang dihormati, jika salah seorang dari ahli keluarga Anda meninggal dunia, apa yang perlu Anda lakukan? Bagaimanakah Anda mengambilkan wasiat ahli keluarga Anda yang telah meninggal dunia? Apakah peranan ini? Adakah mereka hendak mewarisi semua harta warisan? Bagaimana pula masalah rumah istri, saham, insuran kerja, barang kemas dan sebagainya? Siapakah yang akan mewarisi harta? Masalah penangkan uang dan juga nazar menurut hukum, wasiat dan juga nazar menurut hukum farai. Masalah ini akan dikupas oleh ahli-ahli panel bagi forum farai yang bakal diadakan oleh jabatan kuasa dan bagi darul amanah dengan ahli-ahli panel terdiri daripada Ustaz Ridho Yahya, Pengacara Eksekutif Bidang Muhyiddin, Ustaz Abu Bakar Hasim, Mantan Presiden Mahkamah Syariah, Ustaz Muhammad